Aloha guys, it is December 9th and I need to open up my advent calendar, but first I wanted to show you the rainbow on the mountains today. Alright, hey guys, so we are going to do the lemon poppy seed muffins, but I'm doing them by a box because that's the only way I really know how. I could have looked up a recipe, but honestly I already had 2 boxes. I had this and cinnamon swirl something or another, but I want these because this is more my favorite. And so I have measured out what it says on the back of the box. I have 2 eggs, a 3/4 cups of water, and a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and my muffin tin. And I need to get out my big bowl, and then I'm going to start mixing. So I'm going to try to set you up somewhere a little bit different this time. We'll see if I can find something that works. Okay, well hopefully that'll work. That looks pretty okay, huh? Okay. Box. Whoa, there's more in there. Alright. So, so it says heat oven. Let's turn on the oven to 425. Okay, on. Paper cups in the thing, which I have actually. We'll use these ones because they're kind of holiday-ish. Okay, and then it says stir muffin mix, water, oil, and eggs in a medium bowl until blended. Batter may be lumpy. Hi, babe. My camera's right here if you don't want to be in it. Pizza! Oh, it smells good. Alright, so I think I'm just going to mix with like a spoon, a big wooden spoon. These are actually special. I bought here in Hawaii for Jonah for Christmas last year maybe? Okay, oil, says everything, right? Yeah. Oil, water, two eggs, I like to break them in something separate because I'm always nervous that I'm going to have to pick shell out, but I did okay. (15 to 20 minutes until golden brown and tops spring back when touched. Cool for 5 minutes and then squeeze on the glaze packet. In they go. Timer. So says 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm going to turn them at 10, flip them around. That's that. I know it's not super exciting tonight, but I'm going to make some hot chocolate later. And trying to do Christmassy stuff every day, but that is kind of hard, so yeah. So I've mostly been napping and editing video and watching football with my boyfriend today, but I wanted to do something kind of fun, and I'll probably make hot chocolate a little bit later and eat them with the muffins, so that's kind of Christmassy-ish. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and I will see you guys when the muffins are done. Editing the next video. Woohoo! Yay, they're done and they look beautiful! Alright, now for the fun part. Glazing! Alright, here's our muffins with the glaze and our hot chocolates. And the kitchen is a really good restaurant in Kahului that serves local kind food. And then this is a Mickey Maslowski handmade cup. She does beautiful pottery and not sure what you call it, but anyways, I love these cups so much, and so I have to give props to her. Aloha guys! So we are going to enjoy the muffins and hot chocolate and watch a Christmas movie, and that'll be it for me for tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to continue watching this series of Christmas videos, a Mele Kalikimaka series. I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do yet, but trying to do something sort of Christmassy every day, or at least something fun every day. So I will see you guys very, very soon. Much aloha. Bye.